Hi, this is Saravanan from Lotus Advisory Services. Today's technical and fundamental views of all the commodities. To start with gold dollar. More than 10 days, the gold dollar prices is trading around 1305 to 1330 levels. Yesterday it has broken the resistance levels of 1330 but unable to close above these levels. We can expect a choppy trading around these levels for around 20 to 25 dollar. Prices looks positive only above on a hold of 1335 dollar and immediately can test up to 1350 dollars levels, even up to 1360 to 65 levels also. Otherwise, we can expect prices to trade in a tight range of around 20 to 25 dollars levels. Gold MCX also yesterday it has broken and traded about 27,900 levels, but unable to hold above these levels, retraced to the downside of 27,760. Prices like international gold levels, prices is trading around 27,600 to 27,800 levels. Prices looks positive on a hold above 27,850 again for a target up to 28,000 to 28,200, with a strong support is currently seen around 27,700 levels. Silver also is not moving with gold prices, and in dollar terms it is trading between $20.7 to $21.2 levels. Prices is looking highly range bound. A break and hold about 21.1 could take prices till to 21.5 levels. Otherwise, we can see these range bound moves to be continued. Move on to silver MCX. MCX also is trading very tight, around 44,600 levels to 45,200 levels for almost more than 10 days of time. Prices looks strong selling could come only below 44,500 on close. Otherwise, next upside we can see above 45,500. So overall, with the bullions, gold and silver, we can see a tight range is seen around these levels. And news from today at 5:45 p.m. Indian time, we have ADP non-farm employment change, which could have direct impact on gold and silver as well as in dollar levels. Move on to base metals. Copper on contract expiry it went up very sharply. For August contract it went up to 424 levels to 430 levels. Even today we can see prices, yesterday it was traded around 460, 426 to 430 levels. Even today we can see if it holds above 427 levels, we can see again 430. A sharp hold above 430 can take prices till 445 to 450 levels also. Otherwise, we can expect today's move could be in the range of 3 rupees from 427 to 430 levels. Overall, the prices looks positive, and nickel is trading positive more than 5 days. From 1090, it is now currently trading around 1141 levels. Prices could test up to 1160, where it could find some resistance there. The next move, very sharp upside, can be seen above 1160 levels. Today we can expect prices to trade in a tight range of 10 rupees, that is from 1040 to 1050 levels. Later, after a sharp upside from 122 levels to 129 levels, prices yesterday it has tested the resistance of 131 again retraced to 128.5 levels. Compared to zinc, lead prices is slightly doing bearish sentiment, but we can expect prices to test again the resistance levels of 130 to 132 levels if 128.5 to 128 levels is not broken. Zinc yesterday it has retraced nearly 3 rupees from 131 to 134 levels to 131 levels. But overall the trade range was seen around 1 rupee from 131 to 132. We can expect prices to bounce from here, that is around above 131. Again prices we can see to test 133 to 135 levels. Even on a drop below 130 could be a very good level to buy, again for a target of 133 to 134 levels. Aluminium, no big momentum is seen as the prices is trading around 111.80 to 113.15. The prices could continue to trade in this tight range with the range bound moves. Crude oil continues to correct from 6,500 levels. Yesterday it has tested the low of 6,300 after it breaks the strong level of 6,350 levels. Before it made a high near 6,400, but at the end of the market it is just closed around the strong levels of 6,300. Today the prices is opened positive, and the prices the trading could trade in the range of 6,300 to 6,350 before the crude oil inventories today news is there. So we can today also we can expect a very big volatile moves. Mild positive buying can be seen around 6,360 levels, again to test 6,400. But prices as of now, the fundamentals also supporting the prices as the production is not disturbed by the Iraq tensions. A sharp decline below 6,300 is possible, even up to 6,200 levels. Natural gas is trading mild to weak, and currently the trading levels is seen around 266 to 271 levels. Even today a break and hold below 267 levels, again prices it could take prices till to 264 263 levels also. Sharp decline can be seen below 264 to test up to 255 levels again. And fundamental news, we have Indian time 5:45 p.m. we have ADP non-farm employment change, which could have direct impact on all the commodities, especially gold and silver and the dollar levels. And 7:30 we have factory orders, which is very good news, which could impact especially base metals. And around 8 p.m. we have crude oil inventories news, and 8:30 p.m. we have Fed Chair Yellen speaks, which could impact on all the commodities, and we could expect some high volatility. And due to America's Independence Day on July 4, we have all the important news tomorrow. So we have to wait up to today's evening or tomorrow evening up around 6 o'clock for the next moves of all the commodities. Overall, the prices looks in all the commodities it looks highly range bound, and we can expect volatility when the news outcome. Thank you.